must be nice. Do you know what you're doing there, buddy?
Yeah, I'm talking on the fucking phone.
Oh.
Hey, check this out.
Oh my, look. Bro, your sensor is still connected.
I know.
Oh, Lord.
But you know the thing now is that now that I have the weight of the cat holding the wire, it'll fall out. Chat GPT graduate of the year. I don't know.
Alright. I'm over here acting like I ain't got work myself. Pero, woo! Those are napkins. Don't worry about those. We got some valve cover gasket in cabin. A fluid, CVT flush, brake flush, in cabin service, oil change, dry belt, CVT service. We got some rotors. Waiting on my pads for tomorrow. We got some lower control arms right there. As you see, we're doing an evac and recharge because we're gonna do something with the AC. So stick around for this madness, and I might mess with him throughout the video. Before any job, we need to make sure that we are well lit. Okay, and I don't mean like party lit, I mean like lit up. You ever struggle to try to see something, see what you're working on? Yeah, I'm not about that life. I will be trying to get done as much as I can today, because I have some stuff going on at home that I need to take care of. And plus we got some special order parts coming in tomorrow. Why does this look so close? That's weird. Anyways, I need to get to that compressor.
I think I'm about to take that wheel off.
Are you? I told you. He's trying to make up an excuse just because he can't find a wheel lock key. He's trying to avoid working. How lazy. Nah, just kidding, guys. I'm just messing with him. But we need to take those 10 millimeters off. You know, Matco came out with a magnetic fender liner.
You know what's crazy? I don't really use fender liners. I just do that so I didn't get dirty.
Oh. Thinking about getting it is like fuck!
You know they come with locking
like,
extensions?
Shut up. I got those.
I think Snap-on sells them though, not Matco.
No. Matco came out with some too. I saw it in their new flyer. Actually, if you go on Matco's website, go to their new tools, it's there.
So they rebranded Snap-on for their own and charged.
No, it's not rebranded Snap-on. Snap-on rebrands shit too. Just everybody fails to realize that shit. Come on. Well, at least this machine is done. So I can take all this off and not be bound to hoses. I'm gonna try not to talk throughout this whole video, guys. But I really do need to work and not chit chat so much. Oh look, I have a wobble right here. But I feel like sometimes y'all don't want to listen to music the whole time. So I just speed up the videos, give y'all some tunes, and then listen. Oh! I had some good suction. Why does that guy always look confused? Hey, my guy, you know what you're doing? I don't think you know what you're doing. Hey, how'd you get those cats out so quick? Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait. You're a hack, bro.
How dare you? I merely do it the way you guys said to.
Hey, we gotta make ourselves happy somehow, right? By cracking jokes at each other, bro. Let's get back to work, man. These. Oh my goodness. Is this really? Oh no. What? Oh shoot, they zip tied it. Okay, whew. Oh, that harness right there, that one, I really thought they pinched it with that bolt, but nah, they just zip tied it. It scared the mess out of me. I'm like, oh no. Oh no. At least it don't appear that we got the compressor coming apart. No compressor coming apart, so that's good. I can't really tell right there, but suction is, if high side is okay, usually suction is okay. This thing was weak at blowing cold air, so that's why we are doing this compressor. Why not?
Because it's not true.
I'm always giving this guy mess. He says, you always make me look bad on video. It's all fun and games, guys. He's not actually a hack. If you haven't bought one of these yet, what are you doing? I have a link in the description below, so y'all need to get them before they run out. Sometimes they be having sales on this stuff as well, so get them while they're not hot, okay? So once this video blows up, it's gonna be a hot item and Milwaukee's gonna raise the price on everything. Mark my word. Don't you just love aftermarket wheel locks? Then you don't realize it, you gotta drop the vehicle back down and get the lock. Yeah, me no me gusta. Oh, butter. Dang, I forgot I got rear brakes too. Shoot.
My roommates was all, hey, pretty weird, but can I touch your forearms?
What the?
That was all. I guess. So he was like,
Dude.
He was like, what the fuck?
You hit that what?
I said, that's like your back.
Wow.
And he's like, oh, that was something like, little Asian roommate was off. It's because he works on cars.
I don't know. Man, why do mine look all skinny on? Hey, whoa. Let me touch your, never mind.
And then, little Asian roommate was all, hey, John, not to make this through, but can I touch your nipple?
What the fuck? Who said that?
Little Asian kid.
Ah.
Not to make it weird or anything.
Yeah, that's not weird. You know what, y'all ask me quite often, why do I work with the vehicle so high? That is simply for y'all's entertainment and so y'all can see exactly what I am doing. And normally if I'm working underneath the car,
There's gotta be an easier way to do this.
it just depends. Sometimes I'll work mid-level, sometimes I work with hands above the head. I know it puts strain, but that's what it is. And so because being a mechanic puts wear and tear on your body, I need y'all to do me one favor. If you haven't already joined the FMFAM, join down below. There is a link in the description. Also, what costs nothing is a like and a subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and a comment. I'd greatly appreciate it. Guys, we can't make this up. What does that look like? It's a cat gasket. My boy. He already. Unless it's to the other side.
That's it.
Ah,
Gotcha.
got me. You jerk.
I think. I don't know. I gotta double check.
It's where? It's to the other side? Told y'all I'm gonna be messing with him. I swear, I think he tells me he messes up just for me to be like, ooh. Yeah. What else do I need? Oh, I need cutter pin. And I am hoping. Hoping it picks up, because I feel like we need another tool haul. What do y'all think? Guys, there's a big debate with me and this guy. So to balance it up close, I hold my hammer like that. Now, of course, if I got room, I'm swinging it with my hand down here. But right now, if y'all notice, I hold my hammer like this. Gives me balance, short, hard strokes.
This is how he does it. He does it like this.
I do not hold it like that. They watch my videos, bro. Come on now. She didn't want to come loose.
Yep. Now you gotta replace the spindle.
Be nice if we had some pickle forks. Nah, I know they make.
Destroy the fucking boot.
Huh?
Destroy the boot.
I know they make.
A tool that'll.
It goes like that.
And push it up.
Like a wiper arm.
Yeah.
A miniature ball joint. Push. Yeah. Goes here, but ours have these nipples. I don't think it'll work. You know what I mean?
Yeah, maybe.
Because it would have to go that, because we got the bump stop. I mean the turn stops. I don't know.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I have a hard time buying something that
may or may not work.
May or may not work. That we've been getting by with. Huh?
You could maybe rent one from AutoZone.
From AutoZone?
Yeah, AutoZone.
AutoZone.
And just see if it would work.
Still spending money on it. One way or another.
Ow!
No, you misunderstood him. He said tube steak.
Oh, tube steak.
He said, Lorenzo knows what I'm talking about.
I don't know if he has enough to feed everybody. You're gonna serve his most loyal ones first. That's you.
Just like that, we got lower control arms installed. But we're not stopping there. No. We're not stopping there. We got some more work. I gotta peel this back. Dang, I gotta peel it back. Guys, I realize it's a little bit hard for y'all to see. I apologize. My big head is probably in the way. Oh, these weren't even tight. Wow, these weren't even tight. Oh my goodness. Can I sneak it? Or do I need to drop this something? I think I can sneak it right here. Ah. Come on. Come on. Dang. Don't you hate when a bolt is too loose to ratchet and too tight to spin with your fingers? That's what I'm dealing with right now. That is why right there it is so corroded. Not sure if corroded is a good term for that, but it's rusted inside. It had moisture, so the threads don't have a lot of clearance within them. It's not smooth like butter. Wow! Wow! A compressor. So now that we got the ice cube maker out, yes, I took that from Derek. We're gonna service the transmission. Send him my way if y'all want, and then we can collab together. Tell him, hey, this fluffy guy's taking your words. If you'll make it happen, go juice. Ice cube maker. It's another one. You guys a lot. It's discolored, but it's not like burnt. Normally it'll snarl up your nostrils. Nah, it smells all right. It smells like CVT fluid. Oh no. And guys, I don't know if y'all saw, I was trying to be careful with those control arms. Yeah, that it's still stamped metal. They don't grind off the burrs, so get you. And it stings. You won't know until it starts stinging. Oh yeah, lightning whirler. Which we don't have a lightning whirler on this one, no most. Oh. All right. You know, would it be smart for me to do the rear brakes right now, to take the rear calipers off? Is it safe? Or should I disconnect the battery for that? If I do that, what will happen if I do that? What could happen if I disconnect, or if I take off the rear calipers and I leave the vehicle sitting overnight? Yeah, I think I better disconnect the battery. Well, what can happen is your ABS can do a self-check throughout the night. Possibly. It's not a high possibility, but it's likely. It's possible. You never know. These cars have minds of their own. So if we were to do that and the brake says, hey, I'm gonna test the rear pressure, boom, blows out both rear pistons, and I'm paying for something. Yeah. Oh, snapperoos, I forgot I was doing an oil change also. Man, I even sold an oil change. Usually I don't. Wait a minute. Why'd I hear it crack? Y'all heard that crack? Maybe because it has an aftermarket washer on it. Not a good. Oh, come on. I feel like this one has the little rubber in the middle. Yes, it does. Wonder I can't get it off my fingers. Oh, come on. Ah! Oh my God. Thankfully, y'all that watch the videos, y'all don't judge me. Oh shit. Y'all didn't see that. Dang. Oops. So I can't put the dry belt on until I get the compressor tomorrow. I can't even start the car, but I can fill the trans, I can fill the oil. What else do I got? Gotta wait on the, oh, I could do a brake flush. I could do a brake flush before I do the rear brakes. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Woo! Watch him work for a bit. Man, I'm gonna have to start paying you, bro. You know what? That's why you're gonna have to start letting me fucking buy you breakfast or buy you lunch every now and then.
What?
So that's why you're gonna have to start letting me buy you breakfast and lunch every now and then. As I put you in my videos.
Yo, Fluffy the mechanic, wrenches doing magic. Your grease on his fingers like some sort of tragic. Working on Nissans, every day's a mission. CVT transmissions, that's his main addiction. Slacking on the job, nah, Fluffy bringing heat. Gears and transmissions making engines meet. Auto parts flying, singing in the beat. Fluffy fixing rides, every kid see. Crankshafts dancing, pistons tapping in glee. King of the garage, working flawlessly. Spanish tunes blasting while he's rich and free. Crossing wires like he's spinning a CD. Slacking on the job, nah, Fluffy bringing heat. Gears and transmissions making engines meet. Auto parts flying, singing in the beat. Fluffy fixing rides, every kid see. Hammers doing staccato, drills doing the cha-cha. Fluffy on a ride, Fiesta from Baja. Customers smiling, problems going ha-ha. Turning broken clunkers into shack, roaring scars. Great time, punching on Taco's favorite treat. Back to the grind, engines beating sweet. Magic on the metals, competitive beat. Fluffy crushing it, pedals at his feet. addiction rides every kid's seen. Crankshafts, dancing pistons, tapping in glee. King of the garage, working flawlessly.
You done?
I am.
Are you sure?
Sensors in there.
Did you hack it or did you do it right?
I did it the outlaw way.
Oh,
Made this right.
he did it. What? Bro, remember you couldn't even take a harness out of a dash.
Hey, who unclogged your drains?
What's he mean by that? Anyways,
I'm no plumber.
whoa, we have the brake flush machine set up. I gotta add a little more fluid there. Brake flush machine set up right here. I'm gonna wait to do the rear brakes because I'm gonna have to pull this down anyways to get the machine off so that the next person can use it. Who else has noticed that BG's brake fluid has not been super clear like it has in the past? I heard one reason was because they switched manufacturers, and then another reason was because it looked too much like water, and you know. But it's kind of hard to sell a service when you tell a customer, oh, your brake fluid looks dirty, but then you do the service and it still looks dirty. Can he be any more deep in this car? Mechanics do it in all positions. And he brings up the feet. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna pull these rear tires because the bleeder screws are a pain to get to with the tires being on. What the fuck? It is kind of a pain to get into. Now the reason why we pulled the rear tires off is because it's a pain to get to the bleeder screws with the tires on.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but there's logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
The webs I'm weaving, not to change the past with all I know. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic. Yeah, if I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always on it.
Now that first one does take forever because you are flushing the reservoir. But after you get that one taken care of, everything else starts getting quicker.
Legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Also, the closer you get to the driver front wheel, the less fluid you are taking out because the lines are shorter. So fun fact, when flushing brakes, you always start furthest away from the driver wheel and then you slowly bring yourself in. So we go right rear, right front, left front. Now it also depends on the type of braking system you have. If you have split front to rear, or split right front, left rear, or left front, right rear, it all depends, but you can never go wrong just by starting the furthest away. Because technically, you are starting the furthest away and bringing yourself closer. Because the back wheels will always be the furthest. And that passenger rear will always be the furthest no matter what. And there we have, so here's your reservoir. You're flushing the reservoir. Then wheel 1, stop there. Wheel 2, stop there. Wheel 3, wheel 4. See how it gets lower and lower, smaller and smaller? Because the brake lines are shorter and shorter. So shorter brake lines, less fluid. Now I go a little bit low because once I release pressure, you'll see the fluid comes back up. Knowing that comes with experience of doing these. Now that we got the brakes flushed, I can disconnect this battery terminal right there, hook it there. Make sure it stays. Actually, you know what? Bring it down. Make sure it stays. We'll raise the vehicle up. Dismantle the brakes, the rear brakes, and so that way. Actually, I didn't even put CVT fluid or nothing. No, I'll do that. I'll do that off camera. That's not exciting. But we'll take the brakes apart. The battery's disconnected, so the ABS doesn't decide to do a self-check throughout the night and pop my pistons out of place. And we'll see where we're at. All right, y'all see I got y'all a little better view. Not sure if we're gonna flip this way or flip that way. I don't think it really matters. So, yep, got that Milwaukee putting in some work. I'll flip it up out of the way. Yes, these brake pads are good. Ish, but that's not why I'm doing this. It's not because of the brake pad life being low. Not sure how well y'all can see, but we'll wait till we get the rotor off. But this rotor has some pitting, and along with the pitting, it has some brake noise. So I just recommended it. I'm like, look, oh my god, I freaking love this Milwaukee. These are 19 millimeters. Told them, look, you got some pitting in the rear. Brake pad life is okay. Yes or no? And they made the decision. Guys, all we do is recommend stuff. We don't. It's ultimately up to the customer whether they want to get the jobs performed or not. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, there we go. So not bad on the back side, but the front side has some pitting, as y'all can see. These have been replaced, as you can tell. The paint, these aren't OE, and we cannot resurface these. I don't know if they're values or what. And if they are value advantage, we can't resurface them. I don't know why, but somewhere in here it should say it. I know they used to say it, but yeah. So I got this off. I'm gonna go to the other side. We're gonna take the other side off, and y'all can see me show off this this Milwaukee impact. not show it off, but show off what it can do. Trying to convince y'all to buy these. It don't have to be from my link. And why does it look like this nipple is leaking? That's weird. Maybe it's just residue from doing the brake flush. I don't know. Dust. Oh, I got it in my mouth. My mouth just went dry, super dry. Damn dirt. I'm just taking this bracket off. And I am aware this video is probably super long, but I get to entertain y'all for a little longer. And with this better mic, I can actually explain stuff as I go. And as you can see on this one, got pitting. This side, a little bit of pitting. So, yeah. We are actually done with this video, guys. If y'all liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to join the FMFAM down below. There's a link in the description as well. If the join button isn't showing up for you, that usually happens on iPhone, iOS softwares. So yeah, big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out these videos right here. Subscribe up there. Link to the store. Ooh, done.